Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today's tutorial is downloading MS Office ProPlus for free. Yes, you had it right. It's completely free. First of all, go to getintopc.com. And in the search bar at the right, enter MS Office or Microsoft Office and click on Go. And you can open the latest one or the latest version. And go to the bottom of the page. You can have the 36-bit version, which is supportable to all PCs. And you should have to remember the password. It is the password to open the WinRAR file or the zip file. It will open a new tab and show your requested resource will be granted from Linux server, and your download will start in a few seconds. That you can see here. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe it and like it. Thank you.